Hello guys! This is me again, Roha Brainer, ang inyong alindog. Lipstick lang ang katapat. Today vlog is I show you all anik-anik or all here what I'm doing in my wallet. I'm gonna show you raid my wallet or I'm gonna show you inside of what is in my wallet, okay? And my ear plants, my what do you call elephant ears. It's really they have a new leaves growing and my orchids and my lunch for today. So, ayan, all anik-anik I will show you. So, but before that guys, don't forget to subscribe and tap the notification bell so you are always notified with my new videos. Ayan guys, I show you also later my new what do you call this, telon, or I don't know what is called this. I show you now later on how to close and open. Ayan guys, let's do it now.
Let's sing a song full of hope, full of pain. Why don't you sing along, my friend? For it's our last refrain. Forever young, ever strong, ever brave. Memories like this never end. No, they don't fade.
There we are guys, I show you my new things. I bought it. I show you how to close and open. Ayan guys. So when it's hot, o diba? It's nice. Ayan guys. O diba? Really nice. So ayan guys. Diba? O. Right now, so good. O diba? If you wanna see the sky, look at the sky. How very clear. At kung ayaw nyo naman, if you don't like, you're getting too much sun, so we can close again my new telon. So guys, ayan. This they called marquee. Guys, here in Germany. There we go. O ayan. O diba? So para hindi tayo nasisilaw sa sun, this is better. So it's nice, right? Ayan guys, I show you. O diba? Beautiful, long. O diba? So yung mga kalindog. Diba? So nice. Enjoy! Now I will show you all my orchids, my lunch, my elephant ears, and this is my balcony, okay? I show you all. So, let's enjoy! Oh my god, guys! Look at me! Can I pay only the papers? Look at my wallet! Oh my god, it's like a lot of money, but nothing. Look at what inside, guys. All the papers and receipt. Receipt and paper only. I hope I can pay it. So, guys, do you think I can pay this? Look, all the receipt. All receipt. Oh my God, look at guys. And all for the receipt, also for the bank. OMG, my God, guys. Nothing. So ayan guys, I only show you what is the inside of my wallet. Nothing. And remain the money is only look at this guys, is $3. It's $3 from USA. Nothing. I cannot use from here. So ayan guys. Hello, I miss you all guys. Ayan, bye. By the way, thank you. Thank you for watching. Bye! Mwah! At ayan mga kalindog, diba yung prito natin luto na. We're going to eat. Ayan, beautiful weather. O diba, ang ganda-ganda. So ayan mga kalindog, pasok na tayo sa loob. I'm gonna get some plates and I will go get my prito. O ayan diba. Guys, kakain tayo. Masarap kumain, right? At ang ating, there we go mga kalindog. We're going our lunch. Pizza, homemade, and my sparkle, coffee tea, and ragu. So, good na appetit. Yan guys, ang ating lunch. At meron tayo ditong Ayan, oh yummy. We're here in balcon. Look at this. Oh my God, guys. And look at my grapes. It's already coming the fruit. OMG. Di ba, guys? So, there we go, mga kalindog. Ayan, I'm done with my lunch. And of course, ayan ang aking iced tea. So, ayan guys, I show you my plants. Ayan, this is my grapes. I hope you will survive this winter. But anyway guys, ayan, you have already the fruits. O, di ba? Ang ganda ng fruits niya. Ayan guys, I'm here in balcon. I will show you my balcon, guys. I clean it up. Ayan, I show you. I have this, I bought also this, the telon, you see. So when it's hot and when it's raining, I need to open it. Open and close. O, di ba? Beautiful. Ayan, guys. Kita ko sa inyo ang aking plants. And of course, I have also lemon. Ayan, guys. So, there we go. My basilicum and plants. So, ayan, guys. Good morning. Beautiful. Ayan. Beautiful flower, guys. Ayan. All my orchids is blooming. Ayan. There we go. You see how beautiful they are. You see what different color. See, guys, beautiful, right? Ayan. And this will be so nice. Ang ganda-ganda. See, even this, and they're going also this one, and they have still, you see, they coming, and this one too. And look at this, beautiful. See, beautiful, gorgeous. They are coming, the flowers too, guys. There we go, still. Right? Oh, this is beautiful. See, guys? Oh, diba? Mga kalindog. Happy. Because my orchids are bloom. Nice now. I clean it, and here is of course my grilling. Yeah, I'm gonna grill tomorrow again, mga kalindog. Oh my God, I'm so excited. So we have the radio here, all, and of course, ayan, like what I said. There we go. So you see how beautiful my balcon. And there we go, guys. There is outside, and of course, ayan, ating loob. At I will show you now, guys, my elephant ears, how big it's now. Ayan, guys, so diba, aking elephant ears, beautiful. Ayan, they coming again, or they're another leaves. Ayan, oh, you see, another leaves. Oh, diba, it's beautiful now. It's getting grow and grow, very big, right? So ayan, mga kalindo. Thank you. I show you only my my lunch today, and my wallet is no money and everything. Ayan, my balcon, of course. So I show you all of these, and I miss you. So thank you. Bye. See you again. Maybe tomorrow I'm going to make live. Ayan, guys, enjoy lives. Don't forget to smile always. I told you, smile, and we need to be happy. Bye.